Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how we can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now hit Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, just click on this gear next to the device and tap on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!